You've been waiting for this moment. You and I know that you've been waiting for this moment. It is the moment that you needed. The moment that changed everything forever. The moment that sets you on a new, different direction on your path. It is the moment that creates someone new in you. It is the moment that you've been waiting for. But you also know you are afraid to take the leap. The leap of faith that sets you onto a new, different world. What are you going to do? Are you going to keep waiting? Or are you going to take the call? Are you going to respond to your call? Ladies and gentlemen, you know the moment I'm talking about. It is the breakthrough. It is the moment that you feel the emotion rising. It is the moment that you feel your heart beating. It is the moment that everything just becomes so sudden, and it all makes sense at the seconds. It just takes a glimpse of time to change everything. And you might be experiencing that moment now, and you might be afraid to just take this step. And this step, you know it will lead you to a very new, different horizon. An horizon that no one have ever been before. An horizon that you might be the first from your entire generation to achieve. But great adventures come with great fears. But do you know what is worse in this? What is the worst outcome that may happen? If you make this mistake, what is the worst thing that may happen? The mistake that you are afraid of making, what is the worst thing that can happen? You might die. But that is fine, because you will not make the same mistake again. If you die, you will not make the same mistake again. But if you don't die, you become stronger, you become wiser, and you become more confident, you become more competent, you become more skilled. But are you going to take the call? Are you going to respond to your path? This is the moment. It is the moment when your chest beats, when the emotion arises, when everything in your life seems stuck, and that you see it clearly, but you are afraid of jumping. It is the moment when you feel that you need to move, when you feel that it is your time. You feel it, you hear it, and you listen to the voice in your head. It is the moment to take the leap. It is the moment to do the job. It is your moment. Are you going to do it? Are you going to take the call? I hope you will do it, because this moment will transform you, will create something new in you, will put you onto a new horizon, a new, different world opening to you. It is all behind you, and it is all coming before you. Listen, I hope that on this journey you keep being grateful, but searching for more. You have been born for greatness. You've been born to achieve great things, and you know it, you feel it, you listen to the voice in your head, and you know you have greater potential. In this day, you are going to prove to the world that you are a king, that you are born to do great things. In this day, you will show the world how great you are, how amazing you are, how talented you are. In this moment, you will prove it to yourself that no matter what happens, you will not give up. It is the battle between you and you. You are not competing against the world. You are competing against yourself. Are you going to win the battle? Are you going to let go? Are you going to give up? Are you going to give everything you have? In this battle, are you willing to move fast? Are you willing to jump when there is no hope? Are you going to take the call? Are you going to do it? Listen, in this such of moments, it changes your life with a very rapid velocity. You take the decision, you will not come back on it. Choose carefully. I know why you're afraid. I know why you've been afraid. There is a part of you trying to protect you from failing. But there is no failure. There is just challenges. There is just setback. What you don't succeed at is something that you just simply don't understand how it works. You try it again, and you try it again, and you try it again until it works for you. I don't know if I've ever had any failure, because I never seen anything as a failure. I've tried things that I didn't understand and they didn't work because I didn't know how to make them work. Is that failing? It's just learning. Just framing everything that you go through. Transform them into stories that you tell yourself. Stories that inspire and motivate you, that inspire the ones around you, and that inspire the world. From your from your deepest heart, you feel the desire and the strength burning inside of you. Don't let it rot. Don't let it be spoiled. Use it wisely. Use it consciously. Use it to the greatest advantage of your soul. This is your moment. And I hope you too, and I hope everyone here do the work, jump and make the sacrifices necessary to become whoever you're destined to be. It is a dream. We all dreams. We all are dreamers. What life could we live if we can to dream? If we can dream of a better future? If we can have a better perception, a better vision? What kind of life could we have? Ladies and gentlemen, dreams are to be true if you start living. You start being in the present, in the moment, and chasing the dream and walking towards them and doing everything, taking the call and sacrificing everything that you have into the dream. Making peace aligns with the world, universe, giving everything that you need to make the dream come true. And your dream is in the favor of the universe. Your dreams is to make the world a better place, and therefore the universe just give everything that you need to make your dream come true, because it helps the world. It makes the world a better place. What you can see in your heart, what you can feel in your heart, what you can see in your imagination, what you can see in your vision are there because it is to help the world become a better person. We can save our planet. We can help the world. We can help our family. We can help our friends. We can help people around us if you only we become better and we become greater. We cannot do that if we shine away from our light. We have to do it because it gives others the courage to do the same. It gives them the motivation to also have the faith that if you can do it, I can do it too. If this boy from nowhere can do it, well, I might do it too. And you are that guy that people will look up to and say, if you can do it, I might do it too. And I believe in you. If you can do it, I might do it too. If they can do it, I can do it too. We can do it and they can do it. This is it. This is the mimic theory. And if they can do it, you can too. There is nothing stopping you apart from your emotions. But your emotions are what gives you the drive and the strength to jump when you need to. Use them carefully into your advantage. Don't use your emotions to block yourself from your dreams. Use them, understand them, use them in your favor. And this is your moment. This is the moment you've been waiting for, and you feel it, you know it. That's why you get more afraid. That is why you get more anxious. That is why you are more stressed, because your call has arrived. Can you recognize it? Can you know it? Can you feel it, the beating in your heart? Can you feel the pressure? That is the moment. It is your moment. Don't give up. Don't let it go. Do it now and now. There is no tomorrow. There is no other moment. If you let it pass, there is no coming back. The energy you have, it is to do it now. The energy that you have, it is to accomplish your goal. And now, use that energy. Put it into positive. Create things. Build things. Transform things. Keep the greater hope in the world. Feed people with hope. Feed them with inspiration and motivation. And use your power to enhance the birth of human life. This is your moment. You've been waiting for it. And you have to do it now. Your fears are valid. But they are not the vision. They are not the dreams. The dream is the dream. The dream is your goal. It is your mission. Don't give up. Don't let the fear hold you back. The fear is there to help you move up and straight to the goal. I hope that you are having an amazing day and that you will do this to help the world become a better place. Thank you, and I hope you stay safe. God bless you.